In this video, I will show you how to find my USDT wallet address on crypto.com. So first you need to do is open up your crypto.com app and then click on this accounts option from the bottom of your screen. Then from this screen you have to click on this crypto option. Then you have to click on this transfer option from this screen. And then from this pop-up window you have to click on this deposit option. And now from the list of cryptocurrencies you have to select your USDT. If you don't find USDT from here, you can simply use this search bar, and in the search bar type USDT and select this USDT from the search results. Then you have to just select the network, so just click on this drop down menu or this area and then select the your preferred network from this drop down menu, and then you will be able to get your wallet address. You can simply click on this copy button and then share it with your family or friends, and then they can send you the cryptocurrency using this wallet address. So I hope this video was helpful. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel.